Art holds incredible power. It creates safe spaces for expression, builds confidence, and reduces stress. A 2019 study found that regular art participants experienced 62% less depression and improved sleep. Community is equally essential in this healing journey. It helps to combat loneliness while boosting mental health. Studies reveal that lonely seniors face higher health risks, but joining groups can reduce this by 30%. Combining art and community creates a powerful healing duo. Art gives a voice, while community offers support and understanding. This connection enhances mood, fosters trust, and cultivates healing moments. Impressively, 92% of clients in certified art programs reported feeling more engaged, resulting in enhanced care and relationships. You can create this healing environment at home, too. Start with an art corner filled with supplies. Encourage creativity without rules. Fun is the priority. Host simple art meetups with themed projects. Think flower painting or making cards. Low-key gatherings can foster connections. While creating, share stories about the artwork. This encourages deeper conversations and connections. Learning together through free art videos can also ignite creativity. Use accessible materials like washable paints and stickers for stress-free fun. For people with developmental disabilities, art cultivates confidence and a sense of agency. Participants feel seen and valued through their creations, significantly reducing stress and building pride. Remember, art initiates the healing journey, while community propels it forward. Foster local art hubs and partner older adults with young helpers for intergenerational bonding. Celebrate achievements through mini exhibitions and share photos publicly to showcase everyone's hard work. Connecting schools with elderly artists can enrich both lives. In summary, art helps explore feelings, while community provides strength. Their combination creates lasting healing effects. You don't need extensive funds or elaborate spaces, just curiosity and caring individuals.